Yo, what is going on, car people of this world? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a new video. I am now in this massive ski jacket because, I mean, yesterday it was beautiful, warm, and now it decided to be freezing. It's like 40 degrees out. Anyway, I literally just got back from last video about 4 or 5 hours ago, and today we are going to be getting all of these scratches here on the side of my car all fixed. We're gonna get that fixed. If any of you don't know, I have this basketball net here, and it's snowing right now. This weather is so weird. Anyway, this dent happened because the basketball net fell on it, and now it is rusting and all this stuff. It is not good, so I'm going to get this fixed today. We also have a bunch of rock chips up here on the front of the hood that I am going to go get fixed as well. Plus we're gonna get these license plate holes filled because I don't rock that front plate. It's like legitimately snowing out here. This came out of nowhere. I'm also gonna have them paint this wing and this wing for me. When the basketball net fell, you can see it right there that it left a massive gash on this. This is wrapped. I wrapped this with my buddies, so today we will be unwrapping this, taking them off, and then they will paint them for me. So for those of you who know anything about wrapping, it is definitely not ideal to be unwrapping anything in cold temperature. Right now it is obviously snowing, so this unwrapping is really going to suck. So yeah, wish my fingers luck. Well, I've been pulling at this for about 5 minutes and I only got this little tiny corner undone and this little tiny corner undone, so I called up my buddy Mason. He is coming over anyway because we are heading off to a car show. Should be pretty cool, and he's gonna bring his heat gun, so we will do this later. Thank you, bro. Alright boys, so we just got Mason. He just pulled up in the Carrera S. We are off to this car show. It'll be a good time. So yeah, I will catch you guys there. I think the show might be letting out. A lot of the cars are just passing by here now. Check it out, we got a Supra. Dang, I hope there's stuff still left. This is about to get curious. We got people coming through this way and the police officer just pulled up. He's telling people looking like he wants them to stop. And there's somebody doing a burnout. Look at this CRV. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Got the fellow Lexus crew, got the ISs all lined up and representing. Alright guys, so there's a lot of stuff here. You got the C8 Corvette from Car Effects, but the #1 goal is to see another LS 460. Let's see if we can find one. We gotta go park out first though. A lot of fun at the car show. I feel like I'm practically deaf because of all of those speakers. Yeah, anyway, big shout out to Mason for letting me borrow his heat gun. It is time to unwrap these wings. You know, I've been standing out here because I thought that it might be easier to unwrap it while it's on the car, but there's a fire inside, like controlled in a fireplace, so I'm thinking it might be easier just to take it in there and then wrap it in there, hopefully. And there we have it. Both wings are fully removed. That is gonna take some serious work getting all of that goo off. But let's go put this one by the fire and see how the other one is holding up. And there we go. Welcome back to the next morning. I didn't tell you last night, but I finished up unwrapping both of these wings. It got late and, well, I got tired, but it is now freezing the next morning. We got to go take the car to the paint shop to get all of this stuff fixed up. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get this done, but let's load these into the car. Alright boys, we just dropped off the car. Let's take a quick little look at what we're getting fixed here. We got this where the basketball net hit. That will be all fixed up by the time this car comes out, and all of these scratches here at the back should also be all gone by the time that this car comes back. There's a couple other little things. You guys saw the video when I ran over that curb. Oh my gosh, dude. Gosh. I totally just ran this whole thing over. I can't believe I did that. This curb rash finished right there. We're gonna fix up some dents on the hood here. And we're gonna fix up these front bumper holes as well. So yeah, very good. And we got my boy Christian. He's gonna give us a ride back to school.
2 seconds later.
Boys, it is now a new day and I just received a text from the shop my car is being done at. Look at those headlights, bro. I am so excited to go check it out. Honestly, I didn't even know that they were gonna clean my headlights, so that is pretty tough. I'm so excited to see it. But before we get going, check this out. This box right here, we will not be opening in today's video, but this will be all of next video. It is more mods for the Lexus, so yeah, that will be pretty interesting. But it is time to go. We have a 3 o'clock pickup for the Lexus. So I dropped my car off back on Monday. Today is Friday, so it's been roughly 5 days since the shop has had my car to do all of those fixes, or you know, fixing, repair, whatever I needed done. So yeah, I'm excited to see it. So we got the Honda Odyssey here that we will be taking to go get the car, and then, well, yeah, we'll get the car. Boys, so I just pulled up and I checking out my car here. Look at this. You guys remember what this dent used to look like with the basketball net? Totally gone. I am blown away. I mean, it's totally gone. These wings are all painted now. No more wrap. All of these scratches that used to be there are completely gone. And over here where we had that little mishap the other day, running up on the curb, all gone as well. Headlights are looking so fresh and clean. This is incredible. I am thrilled. Front bumper holes are totally filled as well. Can't even tell. I mean, there is absolutely like no sign of anything, and then they polish these guys up here. I mean, I am just blown away, dude. I am absolutely blown away. It looks so good. It looks so good. They polished the whole car for me. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. Well, we haven't heard a startup in a while. Let's get one. Oh man, I missed her, bro. I missed her, dude. This is crazy. I legitimately cannot believe how well that turned out. We will run over this receipt in a little bit, but just for the time being, a massive, massive shout out to Michals Auto Body. If you guys are anywhere in the tri-state area, I am telling you guys, this is the place. And for the price they gave me, little bit steep, little bit over what I thought it would be, but it was 100% worth it. I'm telling you guys right now. Like I said, we'll go over the receipt in a little bit, but I mean, I think it's time to go for a drive. Hopefully we don't cause any more dents. Oh man, I missed it, bro. I missed her. Boys, I know that I legit sound like a complete child in a candy store right now, but I just cannot help myself. I mean, it looks so incredibly good. What they did with the wing here, it is literally so beyond me how on earth they got that massive basketball dent out. I mean, it just looks so good. They knocked this entire car way out of the park. You remember what that used to look like before, and it is completely fixed up. I just don't understand it. They actually took off my whole back bumper and repainted the entire thing. It looks so good. They lined it back up perfectly as well. They repainted that whole side underskirt as well right here. You can actually see how it's like so incredibly clean, like just right there and nowhere else further back. As well as painting the back bumper, they totally redid the front bumper as well. That's how they got these holes so fixed up so well. You can't even tell any difference at all. They repainted this entire thing, as well as these little touch-ups as well. It looks so incredibly good. My headlights have never looked this clean. They're always so yellow, looking like butter. And I am not even like playing with you when I say off camera, I have gotten more compliments about my car in the time when I've picked this up until now, which has been about an hour, than I have in my entire life. This dude right here with the Charger just complimented my car. I got like 6 dudes on the street that were like, yo, that looks gorgeous. I got another dude rolling by in a GTI just now as I was filming. said it looked great. I mean, it's literally insane, dude. Like, I don't even know, you know what I'm saying? Maybe they saw the basketball dent before, that's what turned them away. I have no idea. Alright guys, so we just pulled back up to the house. All in all, I am absolutely loving what was done. We're gonna have some before and after pictures of what it used to look like when the basketball net originally fell on it. We're gonna have some before and after pictures of what the previous owner did to the side, as well as what it looked like before when I ran over the curb, and also what the old bumper used to look like with the drilled holes in them. Like I said before, I am just blown out of the water with how my car came out. Painted spoilers and everything. It looks so good. So like I said, if you guys are in the tri-state area, definitely check out Michals Auto Body. If you guys need anything, even as little as getting your front headlights cleared up, they did such an incredible job. And I do not regret a single penny that was spent. And speaking of that, we gotta check out what this total bill was. So all right here, we got a bunch of nonsense of what went down. The final price, everything that I got done, was a fair $2,070. So like I just said, definitely not a regret in the world. The car looks so incredibly good. It was really frustrating me seeing all of those dents and scratches everywhere, but I am absolutely thrilled with it. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a like. Definitely go check out Michals Auto Body if you guys have anything needed done. I just can't speak highly enough of them. They did such a great job and treated me so well. But yes, I do hope that you guys did enjoy this video. In the next one, I actually need to start filming the next one. We got more cosmetic mods that are going on the car, so well, we got to get started.